everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and today what I want to do is give you an update on the promotion extension for Impact Mailing Club. Yes, the promo was such a great success. So many people joined the opportunity that they decided to extend the promotion. So it's so funny, someone reached out to me and they wanted to know if that had happened because I didn't hear about it yet. And they said that they seen information that it was extended. So I looked up the information and that is correct. We are now going into another week of the Impact Mailing Club promotion because so many people took advantage of it. Last week, the owner decided to extend the promotion, and what I'm doing is looking down at my phone so I can give you guys the details on the promotion. We welcomed in more than 100 new members just this past week alone, 100 new members. So what she did was, of course, just wanted to say congratulations to all new members. And not only that, let everybody know again what the promos are. So right now, if you come in at the Ruby level, and what I'm going to do is pull this up here so you guys can see. This is a website. So if you want to take another look at the website, that link will be in the description below. But here, what we're going to do is just go over the different levels, the amounts, and what the promotion looks like. So at the Ruby level, okay, which is the $250 level. If you come in and pay $250, you're automatically bumped up to the $500 level. And at the Sapphire level, if you come in and pay the $500, you're going to be automatically upgraded to the Diamond level. So you're going to be bumped up to the $2,000 level at no additional charge. And then for the Diamond, if you come in and you pay the $2,000, you're going to automatically be bumped up to the $4,000 level. So that's the promotion that's going on right now. And it's going to be going on from now until Sunday, March 15th. So this is going to be going on until March 15th, this promotion. If you want to take advantage of it, all you have to do is click on the description below and there will be a form to print out. If you would like to pay electronically, you can reach out to me directly and I will give you the information on how to pay electronically. So with these levels, just remember you have to send out the stamps as well. At the Ruby level, you'll be sending out 4 books of stamps. At the Sapphire level, again, it's 4 books of stamps. And at the Diamond level, it's 5 books of stamps. That's what needs to go out with your payment. Make sure when you send information out, you check off which one of these boxes below you're signing up for, and make sure that you complete your information down here, including your first, last name, email address. This definitely should be your mailing address here because that's where they're going to send your packet. It's going to be sent to this address here, okay? If you have any questions, support@impactmailingclub.com. That's how you can reach support. This is the form you'll be sending in with your payment. And if you decide to do an electronic payment, I will show you how to move forward with that, seeing that you will not need this form, but you will be sending information over to the company directly once your electronic payment has been received, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to extend my bonuses at the Ruby level. I was giving people their customized cover letter. At the Sapphire level, you're gonna get stamps along with 100 copies of your customized cover letter. At the Diamond level, you're gonna receive a free website along with stamps and 100 copies of your customized cover letter, okay? So this is what you're gonna get in the mail from me on top of what the company sends you directly. If you'd like more information or would like to reach out to me about this promotion and get more of your questions answered, feel free to contact me. The number will be in the description below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for viewing my video. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.